Wala pang natatanggap na impormasyon ng Malacanang sa posibleng pagtataas ng singil sa pasahe sa MRT. Magkagayunman, ipinaliwanag ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda na mahalaga rin na mas mapabuti pa ang serbisyo dito sa pamamagitan ng maayos na maintenance at pagbili ng mga bagong gamit. May government subsidy kasi ang pamahalaan sa MRT na dapat ring mailagay sa iba pang anti-poverty program ng pamahalaan. Kasunod nito, muling iginiit ng Malacanang na patuloy ang pagsisikap ng pamahalaan na isaayos ang sistema at serbisyo ng mass transport.
We'll wait kung kailan talagang itataas. So we don't have any information as to that, no. Pero yun talaga yung concern, matagal na nang napag-aralan yung situation sa MRT, LRT. There is really a need to remember the statement of the President dati na the taxes are being used to subsidize only a portion, taxes collected all over the country. We use a part of that to subsidize the MRT, ridership. So you've got taxes collected from Cebu, Visayas, Mindanao, or from the balance of Luzon who don't enjoy that. So we recognize that we need to also lower that so that the money that should go to the subsidy, we can use that for poverty alleviation intervention or the other social programs. We're balancing the interest. We're balancing the use of the money collected from the countrymen, and we believe that the taxes collected should be applied equitably to all our countrymen.